Combustion Energy Systems, with headquarters in the Bavarian town of Geretsried, is an internationally active specialist in dust dosage and combustion technology. With its patented technologies, Combustion has become the world market leader in its field. The company's business areas include the engineering, production, assembly, and commissioning of boiler plants, hot gas generators, and dosing machines for dust-like fuels such as lignite dust. The company's extensive portfolio ranges from bread drying for the animal feed industry to supplying process steam in paper mills. Industrial customers' demands for flexibility, availability, and cost efficiency are steadily increasing, which is why Combustion has been relying on Siemens' Totally Integrated Automation, or TIA for short, for the automatic control of its plants right from the start.
Die individuellen Anforderungen der Kunden.
Customers' individual requirements make it necessary for us to use TIA components with a high degree of modularity, which has decisive advantages.
Das bringt uns entscheidende Vorteile. Wir profitieren vom ersten
We benefit
Schritt der
from
Planung.
TIA products from the very start of planning to modernization and project completion. For us, this means cost savings and a high degree of investment security.
Investitionssicherheit.
Für unsere Anlagen setzen wir auf
We rely on modular systems for our plants. Take, for example, the dosing control system on the Simatic ET200S. The tremendous advantage for us is the fact that the I/O modules have a bit modular design and that the fail-safe frequency converters can simply be mounted side by side. For us, this translates into minimal time investment and correspondingly low engineering costs. Customers of Combustion also benefit from the TIA solutions used. One example is GETEC, a modern energy service company. The GETEC district heating power station in the North Rhine-Westphalian city of Hamm specializes in steam generation. The station supplies a neighboring edible oil plant with process steam and electricity around the clock. Absolute reliability is essential for production.
Für uns als Contractor spielt die
The
Verfügbarkeit.
availability and quality of supply play a tremendous role for us as contractors. That's why we rely on the expertise of companies like Siemens Automation Technology and Combustion for the components in our burners, because we can be sure that the availability of our plants is guaranteed. GETEC uses components from Combustion to generate steam from the combustion of lignite dust, a high-precision dosing machine to transport the fuel and powerful boiler plants for the eco-friendly combustion of dust. Individually scalable automation solutions from the TIA product portfolio ensure that Combustion components are seamlessly integrated into the plant's control system architecture, a team effort guaranteeing that GETEC will have the necessary availability in daily operations. Another example of an efficient symbiosis involving Siemens and Combustion components, Cemex Westzement with its Schwellgun blast furnace cement plant in the North Rhine-Westphalian city of Duisburg. This plant produces 1 million tons of cement each year. On peak days, over 200 trucks leave the premises fully loaded. To ensure a high fault tolerance in production, Cemex has been relying on Siemens Automation solutions since 1974.
Die gesamte Anlage wird an
The entire plant is controlled from one central control room, which is where we are right now. 80% of all the control system components and automation technology are from Siemens.
stammt von Siemens.
For cement production, Cemex's Schwellgun plant relies on dosing technology and hot gas generators from Combustion for the clean combustion of lignite dust. The seamless interaction between TIA and Combustion components is demonstrated in daily operations at Cemex as well.
Bei dem Projekt, dem BKS-Brenner.
For this project, the lignite dust burner with Combustion, we decided to use an S7-300 here in the area of the burner plant, which we have in turn connected to our new control system, the PCS7 version CMAT V7, which I have to say has operated extremely reliably from the very beginning. Thanks to totally integrated automation, Carbotechnik also has reliable and simple remote access to the dosing feeder and hot gas generator located at Cemex for diagnostic purposes.
Über den Software
A secure VPN connection to the plant can be set up quickly via the software security client. If the customer has additional requirements, or if adjustments must be made, they can be implemented very quickly and easily, without accruing any travel or related costs.
Anreise und die entsprechenden Kosten hierzu entfallen.
With its customers, GETEC and Cemex, Carbotechnik demonstrates that totally integrated automation guarantees consistent, end-to-end automation solutions for all sectors of industry, including in symbiosis with the components of highly specialized service providers. As a core component of systems technology, TIA from Siemens contributes greatly to Carbotechnik's business success.
Durch
TIA solutions allow us to maintain our position on the market. Our own specialized expertise, in conjunction with our cooperation with Siemens, has made us a world market leader.
zum Weltmarktführer gemacht.
We intend to retain this position and strengthen it even more in the future.